Okay, so for the Screenomatic, I'm going to be showing you a project I might have my students do in my class, and I want to teach high school art. So one thing I might have them do is make a PowerPoint of a um, style of art that they like. So for this example, I'm choosing painting styles as my topic, and one requirement I'm going to have them have is choosing pictures, obviously, because that's uh, better for PowerPoints. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Safari and I'm going to look up types of painting. So I like this one, and this is a pointillism painting. So what I'm going to be doing is on my Mac, since I'm not for sure how to save things on here, I take screenshots of my photos. So I'm going to do Command Shift 4, and you get this little tool right here. And normally, uh, when I do screenshots, they go straight to my desktop. So I'm going to go back to PowerPoint, and I'm going to go to Insert, Pictures, Picture from File, and then it shows up right there, and you can choose the photo that you want in your slide, and then you just resize that depending on how big you want it. And then so this is pointillism, and I'm gonna change that to that. Make that bold. Change the font to 40. And then I might have them add a text box with a description of what they see or why they liked the painting. So I'm just going to go to text box up here, create something right here, and then description, blah, blah, blah. So that is something I would have my students do. And then they can just insert a new slide and then keep going. Thank you for watching my demonstration.